When Mount St. Helens erupted in 1980, one firefighter did the impossible. He clawed his way back from the dead. As the mountain exploded, a wall of ash and fire slammed into him. The sky vanished. The world went black. And he was buried, alive, under 10 meters of burning debris. He couldn't see, but somehow he moved. Using only touch and memory, he dug upward, inch by inch, through choking ash and shattered trees. He dragged himself out of the grave the volcano made for him, half blind, burned, and barely conscious, but alive. Some disasters create heroes. This one created a miracle.